Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapes are sour. These fruits taste sour due to the presence of acids. These acids are also found in foods such as vinegar, tamarind, and tomatoes. For example, vinegar contains acetic acid, tamarind contains tartaric acid, and tomatoes contain oxalic acid. Acid can usually be identified as sour-tasting substances. We also find substances that exhibit properties which are almost chemically opposite to acids. These substances are called bases. Soap, detergent, and baking soda are some of the common bases we find in a household. Let us try to understand these substances in detail. Arrhenius theory. In the year 1884, Swedish scientist Svante August Arrhenius introduced a theory on acids and bases. He defined acids as those substances which release hydrogen ions or H+ ions when dissolved in water, and bases are those substances which give hydroxide ions or OH- when dissolved in water. Bronsted and Lowry theory. In the year 1923, Johannes Nicolaus Bronsted and Thomas Martin Lowry proposed another acid and bases theory. According to their definition, acids are proton donors and bases are proton acceptors. Lewis theory. Gilbert N. Lewis, an American physical chemist, introduced a new concept of acids and bases. He defined acids as an electron pair receptor and bases as an electron pair donor. Identification of acids and bases. When a blue litmus paper is dipped in acid, the color of litmus paper changes from blue to red. When red litmus paper is dipped in a base, the color of the litmus paper changes from red to blue. Phenolphthalein turns colorless in acids, whereas in bases it shows a pink color. Methyl orange in acids gives a red color, and in bases it gives a yellow color. In the year 1909, a Danish biochemist, Søren Peter Lauritz Sorensen, introduced a scale to measure acidic or basic strength known as the pH scale. The scale runs from 0 to 14. The pH of acidic solution is less than 7. pH of alkaline solution is greater than 7. pH of neutral solution is 7. If the solution is more acidic, the pH will be very low. If the solution is more basic, the pH will be very high. pH is defined as the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. pH occupies an important place in our daily life, such as our digestive system has pH. Excess gastric juice produced in our stomach can be neutralized with antacids. pH change leads to tooth decay. Things to remember. Svante August Arrhenius proposed the theory that acids are substances which release H+ ions in aqueous solution, and bases are substances which release OH- ions in aqueous solution. Lowry and Bronsted proposed that acids are proton donors and bases are proton acceptors. According to Lewis's concept of acids and bases, acids are electron pair acceptors and bases are electron pair donors. The main acid-base indicators are litmus solution, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange. pH is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, and it has great importance in our day-to-day life. pH scale was introduced by Søren Peter Lauritz Sorensen. The pH value determines the nature of the solution, acidic,